I am going to teach you the blood vessels, and it is Lakshya public school. My dear students, I am present before you after a long time due to uncertain reasons. But now I will be regularly present, and I will teach you some portions of biology, some portions of chemistry, as well as physics of class 9th and 10th. Therefore, I will request you will visit the website of Lakshya Public School regularly. Today's topic is blood vessels. What are the blood vessels? These are hollow tubes extending throughout the body of woman, through which the blood flows. Again, I am going to repeating the blood vessels, because you know that there are three parts of human blood circulatory system. The first is the blood, the second is the blood vessels, and the third is the heart. So nowadays I will teach you about the blood vessels, and I have defined the blood vessels are hollow tubes which are made up of special types of contractile muscles, and they are the way by which the blood flows throughout the body. Blood vessels are of three types. Blood vessels, how many types? There are three types of blood vessels. These are arteries. Number one, arteries. Number two, veins. And number three, capillaries. Arteries, veins, capillaries, and these blood vessels are used to carry the blood to different parts of the body, from the heart as well as from body to the heart. The first of all, I would like to explain about the arteries. What are the arteries? These arteries are the thick wall, deep-seated blood vessels. But arteries are thick wall, deep-seated blood vessels, and they are more contractile than the veins. They carry oxygenated blood from hearts to the other body parts. It always carries the oxygenated blood. What is the meaning of the oxygenated blood? The meaning of oxygenated blood is that the blood which is saturated with oxygen is called the oxygenated blood. This, again I am going to repeat you. Please you remember, the arteries are thick wall, deep seated, and they carry blood from body towards heart with high pressure and jerks. Therefore, these blood vessels do not have need of any valves, because here the blood flows with high pressure and high speed from hearts to different parts of the body. Now, the second is the veins. Veins are thin wall and they are superficially located just below the skin under the sun deep, and the blood flow in them is the deoxygenated, and they always carry deoxygenated blood away from body towards the heart. The blood flow in the veins very slow, smoothly, and without any jerk and at low pressure. The blood flow in the veins without very slow. Therefore, there is the chance of returning of blood again towards the heart. Therefore, at some places in the veins, the valves are present, and these valves ensure the unidirectional flow of the blood. Unidirectional flow of the blood from body towards the heart. But third is the capillary. Capillaries are thinnest blood vessels, and they supply the oxygenated blood to the different tissues of the body as well as collect them. Therefore, they make a net-like structure between the veins and artery. This is about the three types of blood vessels. How many types of blood vessels? Again, you must remember, the first is arteries, the second is veins, the third is capillary. Now, I would like to say you about human heart. Human heart, first of all, its position and shape. My dear student, the heart is very unique structure of human body. It's so complicated structure that man could not make it artificially anywhere in the world, and it can't be transplanted if the heart of any person is damaged. The heart is, I am going to tell you about its position. It is present in the thoracic cavity, in between the two lungs. It is closed fist side and present slightly left side of the thoracic cavity, and the surface of heart is about backward, downward towards 9 centimeter left side, and it is the pumping organ. It pumps the blood and receives the blood. It pumps the oxygenated blood and receives the deoxygenated blood regularly. It is made up of a special type of tissue. This tissue is said to be a special type of muscle. This muscle is said to be the cardiac muscle. It is partly the striated muscles. It is partly the unstriated muscle. Therefore, it could beat before the birth till the death without any fatigue. I would like to say you, the human heart is externally covered by a double membrane, and this membrane is said to be pericardium. This pericardium contains a fluid in between the wall of the heart and pericardium. There is a fluid that is said to be the pericardial fluid, and this fluid and the pericardium protect the heart from the jerk and protects the heart from jerk and mechanical injury. Now I would like to show you what is the structure of the heart. My dear students, the human heart is very unique. How it is unique? Because in the human heart, the oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood remains separate. In the human body, there is a double circuit circulation. Therefore, the oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood remains separate. I would like to show you internally the human heart is divided into 4 chambers. Therefore, heart is the 4-chambered structure. The right side and the left side. Right side, in the right side there are 2 chambers. The upper thin wall, a smaller chamber, that is said to be the right auricle, and the lower right side for larger chamber, that is said to be ventricle, right ventricle. And on the left side there are the same two chambers. The one is said to be the left auricle, the other is said to be the left ventricle. My dear students, the upper 2 chambers are said to be what? The auricles. These are, I am going to say about the auricles. These are upper, smaller, thin wall, receiving chambers. Upper, smaller, thin wall, receiving chamber. What are the auricles? The auricles are upper, smaller, thin wall, receiving chambers. These receives the deoxygenated. These receives the deoxygenated as well as the oxygenated blood. The right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the body parts, and these deoxygenated blood are carried by the 2 great veins, the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. Understood? Then after that, and in between the 2 auricles, to separate the 2 auricles, there is a membrane, there is a wall. And this wall is said to be what? This wall is said to be what? Inter-auricular septum. Please you see, suppose that it's a raw diagram, and through this diagram you can understand what is the structure of the heart. The first of all, I am going to divide the heart into 2 parts, left and right parts, then into another parts, upper and lower parts. This is the right auricle, and this is what? The right ventricle, left left auricle, and then it is right ventricle, and this is the left ventricle. This valve, which is present in between the right auricle and the left auricle, is said to be what? Inter-auricular septum. क्या कहते हैं? Inter-auricular septum. Auricular septum. By this valve, that is said to be inter-auricular septum. The right auricle and left auricle are completely separated from each other, and this contains the deoxygenated blood, and this contains oxygenated blood. My dear students, each auricle has an opening. These openings are said to be are used to be pump the blood from right auricle to right ventricle, from left auricle to the left ventricle. This is about the auricles. Now, I would like to say this in between these openings are guarded by a wall. In between right auricle and right ventricle, the name of the wall is what? इस वाल्व का नाम है mitral valve or tricuspid valve, and this is said to be, and this here there is what? Another valve, and this valve what? Is said to be dicuspid valve, and these valves are used to prevent the backward flow of the blood from ventricle to the auricle during the circulation of the blood. I would like to say, and these valves are said to be auriculoventricular valves. Name of these valves is auriculoventricular valves. The function of these valves I have clearly told you. When the blood comes in the right auricle and right ventricle, and when these are completely filled, then they contract, and when they contract, then after the contraction, the blood comes into from right auricle to the right ventricle and the left auricle to the left ventricle. Then after the contraction takes place in the ventricles, the relaxation of the auricle is followed by the contraction into the ventricle, and when the ventricle contracts, then the blood goes from left ventricle to the lungs for the oxygenation, and from left ventricle to the body through the great aorta. And in this way, by the other figure, I will represent the whole structure of the heart, and then after, I would like to say you the left auricle, the right ventricle opens into the pulmonary artery, and this pulmonary artery, which comes out from the right ventricle, carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs for the oxygenation, and the left ventricle carries the oxygenated blood to the where? To the body parts through the branches of the great aorta, and then it supplies to the blood, oxygenated blood, to each and every part of the body. And I would like to say about the pulmonary aorta. पल्मोनरी होता, इसका नाम क्या है? पल्मोनरी होता है। और इसका नाम क्या है? इसका नाम है डॉर्सल एओर्टा। ये पल्मोनरी आर्टरी लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से ब्लड को लंग्स तक पहुंचाता है और लंग्स तक पहुंचने के बाद वह ऑक्सीजनेशन होने के बाद फिर ये रिटर्न होता है राइट में लेफ्ट आर्टरी में थ्रू द पल्मोनरी वेन, then it is pumped to the left ventricle and from left ventricle it goes to the body. This is a diagram to show the internal structure of the heart. The first of all, I would like to say you about this question and say it is clenched fist. It is clenched fist size, thick, muscular and contractile organ that pumps the heart throughout the blood, throughout the body. Again, I am going to repeating. The heart is clenched fist size, thick wall, muscular, contractile, pumping organ that pumps the blood throughout the body. It is reddish brown in color and conical in shape and located in the thoracic cavity in between the two lungs. I would like to say it is a conical structure and located into the thoracic cavity. I would like to say you our body has three cavities. The first is said to be cranial cavity, which contains the brain. The second is the thoracic cavity. The third is the abdominal cavity and the fourth is the pelvic cavity. But the heart is located where? In the thoracic cavity, where it is found in between the two hearts. It is slightly shifted towards the left side. It is slightly shifted towards the left side and it affects the heart is 9 centimeters downward, backward, left side in the thoracic cavity. I would like to say now again the total heart is enclosed in a very thin membrane. This membrane is said to be pericardium. I have written here where is the pericardium. Understood? That is said to be the pericardium. And this pericardium, this is the pericardium. This is the pericardium. And this pericardium is very important. Second is, first of all, in between the outer wall and the pericardium, there is a cavity which is always filled with the transparent blood, a transparent liquid, transparent fluid, and the name of this fluid is the pericardial fluid. And this the function of the pericardial fluid to keep the heart always moist and provide frictionless contraction and relaxation, as well as you know that the heart is the very vital organ of the body. Its beat is the sign of the life. Therefore, it protects the heart from mechanical shock and injury. I would like to say, as it is mentioned in this figure, the heart is a four-chambered structure, two upper chambers and two lower chambers. Two upper chambers are said to be auricles, and they are thin-walled, small size, receiving chamber. The right auricle receives what? The right molecule receives deoxygenated blood from the body through the great veins, whereas the right molecule receives the oxygenated blood from the pulmonary veins, which comes from the lungs. In between the two molecules, there is a valve, there is a septum, and the name of this valve is what? Interventricular septum. The name of the valve is what? Interventricular septum. Now I would like to say about the function of the auricles. Both the auricles are the receiving chamber. The right auricle receives the deoxygenated blood from the body through the great veins, and the right auricle receives what? The left auricle receives oxygenated blood from the lungs by means of the pulmonary vein, and then they pump. The veins are completely filled, then they pump this blood to the lower chambers, and these two lower chambers are said to be the ventricles. In the human heart, there are two ventricles. The left ventricle is thick-walled and slightly larger than the right ventricle. This septum separate and prevent the mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. Understood? And it is slightly oblique structure. Then second, in between the right auricle and right ventricle, there are one pair of the valve. These valves are said to be auriculoventricular valve, and it is said to be also right valve is also said to be mitral valve, and there are known as tricuspid valve and the dicuspid valve. Their main function is that when the ventricle pumps the blood, then the pressure on the blood present inside the ventricle rises. Therefore, the blood may reach in the upper direction. When they pump, then what? These valves close the the openings which is present in between the right auricle and the right ventricles, and these openings are said to be just you see, therefore the blood cannot go up. The second, I would like to say there are two ventricles, the right ventricles and the left ventricles. The right ventricle receives the deoxygenated blood from the right auricle, and the left ventricles receive the oxygenated blood from the left auricle. When these two ventricles are completely filled with the blood, then the right ventricle pumps the deoxygenated blood for the oxygenation to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. It is the exception. The artery is what? Pulmonary artery is the artery, but it carries deoxygenated blood. And the other exception is that the pulmonary vein that arises from the lungs and opens into the left auricle, it is the ventricle, but it carries the deoxygenated blood. Understood? And when these two ventricles are completely filled with blood, then they contract and the pressure rises and the pressure increases. And the pressure increases over the blood present in the ventricles. Then the right ventricles pumps the blood to the lungs for the oxygenation, and after that the blood is saturated with oxygen. Then it comes back to the left auricle, then from left auricle to the left ventricle, and from left ventricle to the different body parts through the dorsal aorta and its branching. It is all about the structure of the heart.
Like, share and comments. Please subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.